We are taking you today on a snowshoeing adventure somewhere close to home. We just needed to get outside, move around, and we want to film our 2025 wrap-up for you guys. Reflect on our past year.
Yeah, it's been a good year. Been pretty crazy, some good adventures. So yeah, it'd be good to talk about them.
And then see what 2026 has in store for us. Just to summarize some of our 2025 things on Zulu Outdoors, I posted 33 long-form videos on YouTube, and I think it was 52 shorts or like reels on Instagram and on YouTube, which is crazy. I was not necessarily planning to do like one a week, but that's ended up what it was. And for the 33 YouTube videos, I think my goal was to do like 3 a month, so pretty happy with that. It takes me a long time to make those videos, so there's times and weeks and months that I'm like, this is not happening, it's not getting posted.
Yeah, you crushed it though. The summer months is just tough because we're doing, like, we work our full jobs.
Yes.
And then, you know, we camp all weekend, so
yeah,
find time to edit that's so great. Good job.
Yeah, but I'm really happy that we have those memories and to look back at them and to be able to show friends and family, because even when we were starting to look at some of our reflections, I had forgotten about a lot of things that we did this year.
Yep.
Which is so bad.
I blame my memory more than anything. But yeah, I'm like, oh, right, we did these things. They were great.
Yeah. Okay, first question of 2025 reflections. What was our best trip of the year? I think we're both going to be on the same page here.
It's pretty obvious.
Okay, ready?
We're saying it on 3 or after 3?
On 3.
On 3.
Wait, after 3 because I have to say 3.
You have to say 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Scotland.
Yeah, easy.
Definitely Scotland.
No way.
No way.
No way.
Oh, we've got a little fork in the road here. Where do we?
I think we go right.
What are we gonna do? That way? That way. minor off track there, but back to Scotland.
Yeah.
Did you have a favorite part about Scotland?
It's hard to wrap it all up into my favorite. Isle of Skye was definitely probably the, actually I don't even know if Isle of Skye was the peak, because like, Glencoe was amazing.
Oh,
was unreal.
I was gonna say Glencoe, but that's because like I'm a Harry Potter fan and I got to like live out my dreams of going to visit where the Hogwarts Express goes over the bridge and Hagrid's Hut.
Yeah, but just the scenery there is fucking phenomenal, and like
so nice.
I don't know. I can't say one part. Like the whole thing was just fantastic.
Agreed.
Like, the scenery was unreal. People are so friendly. Food's actually pretty good.
Also, I really enjoyed the experience of renting a camper van.
Oh my god.
And exploring that way.
The camping culture in Scotland is like unheard of. You can camp wherever you want. Like you have legal access to basically the whole country. It's top tier.
Next question. Obviously, the opposite. What was the worst trip of the year? 2025. I had to think about this because we had a lot of good times, not that many negatives.
I had to think about it too, and then one popped out.
Okay. I actually had I think 2 came to mind.
Ooh.
Okay.
Like worst trip or worst like experience?
Like I kind of blended it.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, you go first.
Okay. My worst experience was on our Long Lake camping trip when we got dumped like a foot of water.
Oh, yeah.
And it flooded into our camp and like into our tent.
Yes.
And we were all sitting around our little portable heater trying to like dry off socks and everything.
It was a fire ban, so we couldn't have a fire.
Yeah.
That was actually on my list too of negatives.
There's we have a video of it and like a video of the waterfall river that came into our tent.
And this was before we even had the truck tent, so we were like on the ground tent. Yeah. It rained a lot. My family was coming for the day. We had all these great plans to go fishing and it just dumped.
Yeah. We did fish in the rain and
caught stuff.
Caught a few things, but just the camping environment was definitely difficult.
So that was on my list, but I think for me it was going hunting with Luke at minus 20 degrees Celsius.
That was a great day. What do you mean? So good. You didn't enjoy that? I didn't enjoy that either.
Like he had a blind and the heater set up and everything, and I was so cold because what's the point of a hunting blind when you have all the windows open?
Yeah.
Like, and you have to keep it open anyways in case you want to shoot something.
Yeah, I feel bad about that one because that wasn't really hunting. That was more like trying to survive in minus 15 or whatever it was. It was cold.
It was just like physically and mentally very challenging.
Yes.
But I couldn't really talk.
Yes.
So I just didn't enjoy myself.
It's a bad time for Susanna.
Next question. This one warms my heart. Best Luna moment of 2025. I was gonna say, do you have something in mind?
You go first.
Okay. I think it was San Josef Bay on the beach, her running around, being the happiest little girl, and being able to, first time ever, touch the ocean.
Yeah.
That was cute.
I think that's my number one too.
Yeah?
Yeah, definitely. Like, just her passed out on the beach after zooming around is just the
So
cutest
cute.
memory. Something that's gonna stick with me forever.
A lot of people might not know. So Luna's a retired racer rescue, and in the States they race on sand. So I swear, as soon as she touches sand, something goes off in her.
Race mode activated.
And she just goes and she loves it. And I think it's like, she also feels safe.
Yeah.
So
She hits the nos.
yeah, definitely second gear.
Yeah. That beard is frozen. I think for me a close second is the first time we had Luna up in the rooftop tent and her just like sticking her dinosaur neck out the side of the tent and looking around.
And
it was
her
so
not
cute.
realizing that she was up in the air, and I swear she wanted to like step her foot out and just like walk out the door.
Yes.
That was cute.
And as annoying as it is to like get her up into the tent, I have such fond memories of like having to lift her and like get her up there every night before bed.
Yeah.
And then her being in there greeting us whenever we climb up to bed too. Next question is, what are the pros and cons of having the rooftop tent now that we have that all completed and finished this year? You want to go with yours first?
I got a really good pro.
All right.
How quickly it is to set up and tear down.
That is the biggest, number one thing. That's literally why we built it.
100% hands down the best thing about it.
So you can set up in 5 minutes. We really maximize like our daytime driving and getting to locations or hiking and then coming back. So that really helps us. If we can set up in 5 minutes and go to bed. It's awesome.
Con. I should think. I had a thought.
I had a thought too, and it's gone now as well.
We're brain freeze out here.
Brain freeze.
It's like minus 20. We're heading back to the car.
Yeah.
We are not doing our coffee out there because it's a little too cold.
Yeah. I thought a con would be how much less fuel efficient it would be, but it doesn't really affect the fuel economy on the truck. I average 10 to 12 liters per 100 kilometers. I don't know what that is in freedom units, but that's what it was basically pre-tent as well. So no con there.
Oh, it's a little bit tighter for space up top for being able to like have your duffel bag or change of clothes and all of that.
Yeah.
So we usually keep our duffels down in the back seat and I have to like kind of go up and down, so I have to plan for the night
Yeah.
what I want up there versus down. And then yeah, so that's kind of annoying.
Nice. I remember mine too. The biggest con is if you're not doing like a road trip hit and go type of site, if you're staying at one location for a while, it's annoying to have to tear it down, drive out for a hike, drive wherever you go, then come back to camp and set up again. So
Correct.
sometimes we'll actually just set up our normal tent and stay in our tent, and then we don't have to worry about disassembling the truck every time we go.
Correct.
Granted, it is only 5 minutes, so it's not the end of the world, but again, we just try and maximize time and efficiency wherever we can.
We're lazy.
We're lazy. No, we're time efficient. Come on.
We made it back to the truck.
My toes are so cold.
Little snacky time.
Barely survived out there.
It says minus 18 right now. And it feels like it. Anything you wish we did differently during our trips?
It's a weird question.
I have an answer to it, which is why I asked this question. I wish we spent more time in Scotland and skipped Ireland. I loved it, but for the amount of time we had, I wish we had that extra 2 days in Scotland instead of trying to like spread ourselves and go further.
I'm just laughing because when you book the flights, we're like, oh, it's so cheap. We arrive in London, we depart in Dublin, like it'll be an easy trip, in and out.
That was part of the reason we went there, was because the flight deal was to depart out of Dublin. And I was like, oh, it's close by, no problem.
It's all in the UK. Later realizing it's a completely different country.
Yes, and that I thought we could maybe drive the camper van the whole way there, but it would have been very costly to actually pick up and drop off in 2 different countries.
Yeah.
So we couldn't end up doing that. That was my own fault because I didn't do the research. I get really excited when there's a flight deal and I just book these things. So that's what I would have done differently.
Ah, well, that's fair. Maybe I will complete my project before we have to depart on our trips. That would be good.
That would be great.
Yeah.
He's talking about like the rooftop tent that he finished literally hours before we had to depart on our trip.
Yeah. Maybe I can give ourselves some more leeway, some more time. Because the same thing happened with the truck cap before Montana. It was literally
The day before.
we delayed our trip by a day to leave. So.
Good job.
Well.
Just good.
Okay, next one was our best piece of gear for 2025 season. For me, it was the Nalgene sip straw. So instead of having to use the water bladder, you can use the straw in your Nalgene. And I thought it would be like a little bit gimmicky. Like everyone online was like, you need to get this. And I was like, okay, I'll try it. And actually having it, it's been, I don't think I'd go back to a water bladder. It's so convenient to have your water on the outside. You can see how much you're drinking.
Easy to clean.
Easy to clean, easy to drop filtered water in and out. It's just so much more convenient to have. So that's my one for sure.
We'll link the website below if you want to get yourself one of those.
Yeah.
Okay, mine is 2 things. The first one might not count, but I think it might have been getting my camera.
Oh, 100%.
It's not really like an outdoor gear,
It's gear.
but I use it for Sulu Outdoors.
It's how the people see what we're doing.
I know, and I forgot that I've actually only had it since like February. And
Not even a year.
it's just made like creating YouTube videos and documenting these things so much more fun and enjoyable, and like it just looks better.
Yeah.
And the audio is better, the visuals are better. I'm just like very happy with it.
And you're starting to I don't know, you enjoy photography as a hobby too, right? So it's not just videos too.
For sure.
Multi-use.
And if I'm not counting the camera as outdoor gear, I would say my new backpack, the day pack one. So not the big one that I use for backpacking trips. That one's also very good. But this Gregory, I think it's a 25 or 28 liter backpack for like day trips. I really like it.
We've done so much this year that I straight up forgot you did your first backcountry trip this year too.
Oh yeah.
Did you forget about that too? Right?
You know, the problem is I haven't posted that video to YouTube. I have all the footage. I need to edit it. Look out for that one because I will put that one out sometime in the next few weeks, month or so.
Yeah.
It might actually, no, this one's probably going to come out ahead of time. So stay tuned for that one. We are in our cozy home now because we couldn't tolerate being outside to do coffee, and then ended up being too late to make a coffee at home. So
Yeah, here we are. Okay.
water it is.
One of them was near Plockton.
Oh, I love Plockton.
You remember being near Plockton? And you
Okay.
remember this?
What Luke is talking about is our next question is the best campsite that we stayed at this year. I think it was one in Scotland, but I can't remember where or what it was called. So Luke is just looking it up for me. It's the one where there was a parking lot at the top and then a little trail that Luke was like, oh, just a short jaunt away just to get to the beach. And it was actually like pretty far, but it was beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yes, I remember that.
Stunned. Yeah, okay, that was my second, I think.
That was your second.
Yeah.
Okay, I think one of my first though might have been on the Vancouver Island trip. I think we were gatekeeping though, the name of this spot.
Was that this year?
Yeah, with your dad. And it's like beautiful, like sandy beach. We had the drone out.
Oh, that was a good one.
We were swimming in the water. I'll clip in all of these pictures and footage of it. I actually don't know the name of it. I want to say it was called like St. Anne's.
No, I don't think that was it.
Annie Lake.
I don't remember either.
I don't know. That was maybe my top choice because it gave like direct beach access in a beautiful lake that we were able to go into.
So this would be, I think, yeah, okay, my number one is Isle of Skye, just off the highway. I think it's like in the valley, and the lake next to it is Loch Enort. But do you remember that one that we were like, can we even park here? And it was like in this valley.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That was your number one.
I think that was my number one, just because it was like we just saw it,
and we're like, hey, let's pull over here on the side of the highway. And we woke up to beautiful views. Wasn't the best sleep because we kept getting like rocked by cars driving by, but I think that was...
It was literally like off the highway.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Best viewpoint that we had this year.
We had some good viewpoints this year.
I had 3.
3? I don't even have like my number 1 picked yet. I think I have the one.
Okay.
The best one.
What's your best one? Do you want to say it on 3?
On 3, sure.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Old
Man Store.
Yeah.
Best store
That's
hike
the last one.
in...
No way!
Isle of Skye.
Yes.
My other one, which is also in Scotland, was Haggart's Hut.
Oh, okay.
Overlook. I have this beautiful picture that Luke took of me looking out to it, and it's like lush green mountains in all directions. And you kind of like look over the edge, and there's a little like a lock.
Yeah, I know.
So
yeah,
that
okay,
was
nice.
very, very nice.
I really liked the like Skyfall Road too in Glencoe. That was
the
super
James
nice.
Bond.
Yeah. Oh.
Because there was like almost like a river going through the valley.
So just gorgeous.
And again,
scenes.
probably why Scotland is on the top of our list for best trip this year.
Scotland was so good. Go to Scotland. Like, do it. Get it higher up on your bucket list.
2026. What do we have planned?
Nothing. We have nothing planned.
That's a lie. He's lying.
We have ideas, concepts of a plan, but we don't actually have anything booked or
Okay, we have
planned.
nothing booked, but
Yeah.
here's what we have hopefully planned. Winter camping in the rooftop tent.
Yeah.
We are working on trying to figure out the diesel heater situation and how to survive our winters. And then more ice fishing.
Yep.
We've got some things lined up. Couple trips actually already booked and planned for that.
That's true. I forgot we actually have a
we're going to
trip
Cold
planned.
Lake in a couple of weeks here. We have a Lac La Biche one. We also, one of my goals would be to spend like 5 to 7 days on the Icefields Parkway.
Yeah, that'd
just
be really nice.
to camp and hike. Anytime we've gone there, it's been like 2 days. We can maybe get one hike in, but we want to like crush quite a few like different ones this time.
Yeah, agreed.
And we are probably booking some sort of tropical trip with our friends. Sit on a beach and read a book.
I do want to say, like, if we can get to Iceland this year, that would be sweet. It's just not that's more of a, like, a stretch goal. Susanna also was so miserable in our November camp or hunting trip that she said she would do bow hunting with me in September.
Fill the freezer.
Fill the freezer in the fall. That's the goal.
Always a goal that year, or
Always
every
a goal.
year.
It's just, that's a given.
Oh, and I want to do more backcountry.
Yeah, we actually have to, like...
Probably at least 1, maybe 2.
Yeah.
This past year we did 28 nights of camping. So we'll see where we're at this year. I would like to continue vlogging and documenting and posting all of our fun adventures for everyone to see. So hopefully I can keep up with like 3 videos a month and, you know, splicing together a whole bunch of these shorts reels for you guys.
Thanks for coming along.
Or maybe we will inspire people.
Yes.
To
If
do
we
more.
can do it, you can do it. Probably.
Thank you so much for following along. We will see you guys in the next adventure, and we're so excited to see what 2026 has in store for us.
Yeah, should be another good year, another fun time. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Appreciate it.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and send us a comment below on what your favorite 2025 video was or trip that we did, because I'm very curious and we want to know what other people like to see from us as well.
Or your favorite 2025 gear. I love gear. Send us your gear recs.
If you tell me that you want to see me ice camping at -25 all the time, and you just, I don't know if I can commit
We can
to
do
that.
it. Let's see Susanna bow hunt.
Yeah, if you tell me like you
Hell
want to see
yeah.
me like shoot an animal, I don't know if I can do that either.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go eat dinner. I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Bye guys.